Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Jaiswal and I am from IHM Kolkatta. Today I am going to make watermelon halwa. Like first sanitize our hand. And start working. So we need watermelon. I have peeled and chopped the watermelon and then we will make a paste. Now we need sugar, refined oil or ghee, whatever you have, cardamom, besan and suji. First we have to make the paste of the watermelon. Here my paste is ready. Now we will put oil in the kadhai. Now the oil is heating, we will put the besan in it. Then the suji. We will cook it for a few minutes. Now we will put the watermelon paste. We will mix it all. You can see that it's turning a little golden. Now we will add the sugar in it. Now we will let it cook for 2 minutes. You can see it changing the color to golden brown. Now as you can see it has become thickened. Now we will add the cardamom. And mix it. It is cooked and you will get the good smell of cardamom. Now the halwa is ready. Now we will plate it. First I will put the halwa in the mold and let it set for few minutes or until it gets set. Now my halwa is set. So we will do plating. This is the watermelon juice which I am using for garnish and some dry fruits. And here the halwa is ready.